Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are going to explore a simple yet important feature in the IMO app that allows you to control who can add you to groups. If you value your privacy and want to avoid unwanted group invitations, this tutorial will guide you through the process quickly and easily. First, open the IMO app on your phone. Next, look at the top left corner and tap on the profile icon. Then scroll down and select the option called Security and Privacy. After that, click on the Group Settings section. This area allows you to decide who can add you to groups on IMO. Now, you will see 4 options to choose from. You can select everyone if you want anyone on IMO to be able to add you to groups. If you prefer only your contacts to add you, choose My Contacts. There is also a custom option that lets you pick specific people who can add you. Finally, you can select Nobody if you want to prevent everyone from adding you to groups. After selecting your preferred option, your settings will be saved automatically. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Give this video a like and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching and stay safe online.